Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the GitHub app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install GitHub on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download GitHub, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download GitHub on this website, it's so simple, you just need to click this download button right here. And after clicking it, your GitHub will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, your GitHub installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations, you will now have your GitHub app. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.